How's it going, everyone? This is DJ. Welcome to my channel. If you're one of the thousands of people that are tired of Amazon controlling which apps you can install and use on your Fire TV device that you purchased and you own, and now you can decide you're going to get rid of it, switch over to the ONN 4K or Google TV device, but all the apps that you're still using are installed on the Fire Stick. Now you have to remember where you got all those apps from, download them, and install them again. In this video, I will show you how to copy all your apps from your Fire Stick and install them on the ONN 4K or Google TV device. And the best part, no extra hardware to buy is needed. So without any further ado, grab your remote and let's get right to it. Alright, now before we begin, first you got to make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If they're not on the same network, it's not going to work. Then you can either use one TV, or if you have the option of using two TVs if they're close by, then you can do that too. If you're using a single TV, then you're just going to have to switch inputs. So let's say the Fire Stick is on HDMI 1, the ONN 4K or Google TV device that you're going to use is on HDMI 2, and then you just switch ports. So we're going to start with the Fire Stick first here. From the home page, we're going to go to the left of the magnifying glass. You're going to go down where it says search, click on there. We got to get an app here. We're going to search for the Explorer File Manager. So as soon as you start typing in a couple of letters, you will see it come in the results. There you go. You're going to click on it, and it will be the first one here, Explorer. Just click on that. And where it says download it for me, we'll say get it for you. It's free. We're just going to click on it, let it download and install. And now that it's done, we got the notification on the bottom right. We can just open it up. Here you need to click on Allow. And this is Explorer File Manager. Now we're going to start on the right panel over here. So we're going to move to the right, go up where it says Internal Share Storage. You're going to click on it once. And then we're going to scroll down where it says Download. Just click on it once. And that's it. What we're doing here is we're setting the destination folder. So when we select the apps from the Fire Stick, they're going to be copied to this folder. And it's going to make a little more sense a little later when we switch over to the ONN 4K. All right, now that we set the destination, we're going to go to the left panel over here. Scroll down where it says App Manager. Click on it. Go down where it says Installed. Click on that. And now in here, you're going to see the list of all the apps that you have installed on the Fire Stick. All right, so let's go to the middle panel over here. Go down where it says Mark Files. Click on that. And as you can see, every file and folder has a little gray check mark next to it. All you got to do now is find the apps that you want to copy. Click on it, and it puts the orange check mark next to it. And once you go through the list, you're going to go into the middle panel over here. Go over where it says Copy. Click on that. Here, make sure you don't put a check mark next to Move Mode. You want to leave that alone for now. And you can see the destination folder is Download. So we're just going to go where it says OK. Click on it. And you can see the files are being transferred over there. Made a copy of those files into the Download folder. Now we just need to go up over here and remove the marked files. Click on that. Get rid of that check mark. And next we're going to go back down and go where it says Wi-Fi server. You're going to click on that once to enable it. And go to the right panel again. Now you can minimize this and scroll down, or you can just go all the way up here. Click on it one more time, and then it minimizes everything. And then you can see Wi-Fi file sharing over here. You're going to click on that. And right in here where it has the URL. Now this number is going to be different than the one that you're going to see on your device. You want to take a note of this number, the URL, the 192.168.10.36:1111. You don't need to use the http://. We don't need that. We just need the numbers. Now that you took a note of these numbers, we're going to switch over to the ONN 4K or Google TV device that you're using. So let me do that now. All right, now I'm going to be using the ONN 4K Plus in this video, but you can use the ONN 4K Pro or any Google TV device. The process is going to be pretty similar. So the first thing we need to do here is go get an app. So you can scroll over to the magnifying glass here and go down and manually type in Downloader, or you can use the microphone on the remote and just say Downloader. Give it a second. And there you go. It's going to be the first one over here, the one that says by AFTV News. You don't want to download any of these ones. They're imposters. So we're going to click on it. Click on install. And now that it's done, we're going to click on open. Click OK here. Now we're going to press OK on the where it says go. It's going to move the cursor up in the box over there. Click OK one more time. And in here you want to scroll down to change it to numeric. And then we're going to type in that number that we saw on the Fire Stick. You don't need to put the HTTP part. You can just type in the number. So let's do that now. And like I said, it's going to be different than mine. So you got to type in that number that you had. And then once you make sure that the number you typed in is correct, you're going to press OK here. And then go down where it says go, click on it. And it's going to bring you right into the Explorer File Manager that it's connected to your Fire Stick. All right, now in here we want to go to the right side over here. And where it says download, you're going to click on it. We're going to get this notification. It's a premium function. So if we go over to our Fire Stick, you will see it's asking us to watch an ad, close, or donate. We're just going to watch a quick ad here. Most of the time, they're only like a 5-second ad. Not too bad. And now that it's done, we're going to go up. And when you get that square box, you're just going to click OK. Get rid of that. And then if we go back over here to the on 4K, anywhere you click, it's going to get rid of that message. And then we can just click on download. And you can see the files in here. Now all you got to do is, let's say, select this file over here. Click on it. It's going to download it. For the first time, you're going to get this message over here for security reasons. You can click on settings and go down where it says downloader, enable that. And now you just click on install and it's going to install the app. This is a one-time thing. From now on, after this, you're not going to see that message anymore. Now, once you're done installing it, you want to make sure you click on done. And then you want to delete this file. The installation file, you don't need it anymore, so you can get rid of that. And you're back to the screen. And now all you have to do is just go to the next APK that you want to install and just install the same way. And then once you're done, that's it. You can exit from here. You can just go all the way back here, press home, and then just press the back button twice. If we go back to the home screen over here, and we scroll down, as you can see here, this app is installed on our device. And pretty much that's it. That's how simple that is. One last thing we need to do here now is turn off the Wi-Fi server from the Fire Stick. So let's switch over there. And here you just want to go into the middle panel where it says Wi-Fi server, click on it, and it turns it off. You don't want this running in the background. And pretty much that's it. You're done. Now it depends on what you're going to do with the Fire Stick. One thing you may want to do first is go back up, click on internal share storage, go down to download. And if you're not getting rid of the Fire Stick, you're still going to keep it for using it for other things other than these types of apps. You want to go back in the middle over here, select mark files, come back in here, select all these files that you just copied, and then go in the middle and delete them. That way you're not taking up space. And then of course, once you're done here, make sure you click on mark files to get rid of the check mark. All right, I think that should cover pretty much everything. If you guys have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below, and I will answer everybody's question as soon as possible. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. It does let YouTube know you like what I do here, and it also helps my channel grow. Thank you for watching. This is DJ. Till next time.